The mug is on the desk.
The mug is on the desk.
The dog slept under the table.
The dog slept under the table.
The gift is in the box.
The gift is in the box.
The shoes are behind the door.
The shoes are behind the door.
The cat is on the couch.
The cat is on the couch.
The phone is in the bag.
The phone is in the bag.
The lamp is next to the bed.
The lamp is next to the bed.
The keys are under the sofa.
The keys are under the sofa.
The ball rolled behind the curtain.
The ball rolled behind the curtain.
The mirror is above the sink.
The mirror is above the sink.
He arrives at 8 a.m.
He arrives at 8 a.m.
The class starts at noon.
The class starts at noon.
We met on Friday.
We met on Friday.
She was born in April.
She was born in April.
I sleep at night.
I sleep at night.
He left before lunch.
He left before lunch.
We'll eat after school.
We'll eat after school.
I go jogging in the morning.
I go jogging in the morning.
They travel in winter.
They travel in winter.
The party is on Monday.
The party is on Monday.
She walked to school.
She walked to school.
The bird flew into the room.
The bird flew into the room.
The ball bounced out of the box.
The ball bounced out of the box.
He jumped onto the chair.
He jumped onto the chair.
The boy ran towards the goal.
The boy ran towards the goal.
She came from the market.
She came from the market.
They walked across the bridge.
They walked across the bridge.
He climbed up the tree.
He climbed up the tree.
The kite flew over the house.
The kite flew over the house.
He rolled down the hill.
He rolled down the hill.
I sat next to Sam.
I sat next to Sam.
She stood by the tree.
She stood by the tree.
The book is between two files.
The book is between two files.
The pencil is beside the notebook.
The pencil is beside the notebook.
The mouse ran beneath the chair.
The mouse ran beneath the chair.
The bag is inside the cupboard.
The bag is inside the cupboard.
He stood outside the room.
He stood outside the room.
The bag is underneath the coat.
The bag is underneath the coat.
I sat among my friends.
I sat among my friends.
The cup is opposite the bottle.
The cup is opposite the bottle.
I talked to her.
I talked to her.
She played with Mia.
She played with Mia.
They laughed at the joke.
They laughed at the joke.
He danced with his sister.
He danced with his sister.
I waited for him.
I waited for him.
She shouted at the boy.
She shouted at the boy.
He smiled at the baby.
He smiled at the baby.
They walked with their parents.
They walked with their parents.
She waved at the driver.
She waved at the driver.
I studied with Anna.
I studied with Anna.
The pen is on the table.
The pen is on the table.
My book is in my bag.
My book is in my bag.
The eraser is under the notebook.
The eraser is under the notebook.
The chair is beside the desk.
The chair is beside the desk.
I sat at my desk.
I sat at my desk.
The fan is above the light.
The fan is above the light.
She is in the classroom.
She is in the classroom.
The clock is on the wall.
The clock is on the wall.
He is in front of the board.
He is in front of the board.
The papers are on the floor.
The papers are on the floor.
I live in London.
I live in London.
We went to Paris.
We went to Paris.
She came from India.
She came from India.
He moved to Canada.
He moved to Canada.
The hotel is near the beach.
The hotel is near the beach.
The bridge goes over the river.
The bridge goes over the river.
The road runs along the lake.
The road runs along the lake.
The park is behind the school.
The park is behind the school.
The city is far from here.
The city is far from here.
The car is parked outside.
The car is parked outside.
I wrote with a pen.
I wrote with a pen.
She cut it with a knife.
She cut it with a knife.
He fixed it with glue.
He fixed it with glue.
She cleaned with a cloth.
She cleaned with a cloth.
I opened it with a key.
I opened it with a key.
We painted with brushes.
We painted with brushes.
He tied it with a rope.
He tied it with a rope.
She stirred with a spoon.
She stirred with a spoon.
I built it with wood.
I built it with wood.
They drew with crayons.
They drew with crayons.
He is afraid of snakes.
He is afraid of snakes.
I'm proud of my team.
I'm proud of my team.
She is good at painting.
She is good at painting.
We are tired of waiting.
We are tired of waiting.
I'm interested in music.
I'm interested in music.
He is angry with me.
He is angry with me.
She is bored with the class.
She is bored with the class.
I'm excited about the trip.
I'm excited about the trip.
He's ready for work.
He's ready for work.
She is kind to animals.
She is kind to animals.
The kids ran through the park.
The kids ran through the park.
The boy hid behind the door.
The boy hid behind the door.
The bird flew above the tree.
The bird flew above the tree.
The cat jumped onto the bed.
The cat jumped onto the bed.
I walked around the block.
I walked around the block.
She looked into the box.
She looked into the box.
The frog jumped off the rock.
The frog jumped off the rock.
I traveled by car.
I traveled by car.
The train went past the field.
The train went past the field.
He stayed until the end.
He stayed until the end.